In this video I am going to show you how to turn on magnifier on iPhone 11. I mean how to turn off this zoom option. It's just stuck on the zoom page like this. We can't usually use this anymore. Just like that. Okay, to change this we need to go to settings. So to go to settings, just use your 3 fingers and double tap on the screen. Just like that. Then it will come to the standard mode. If it doesn't come, just use your 3 finger and grab like this. Double tap and grab like this and just open settings. Like that you can open settings. I just switch this to normal. Just open settings, scroll down a little bit and open accessibility and open zoom and just turn off this option. That's it. Now it's turned off. And this is how you can turn off the zoom or magnifier option on iPhone 11. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.